Alright, today I'm going to be showing you all how to get an exterior detail done quickly on, in this case, a pretty large pickup truck, a Toyota Tacoma, because it's almost 1 o'clock and I have a very fancy event with free oysters to go to tonight at 4. So, yeah. It's, let's take a look real quick here. It's 12:36. That screen's not showing up too well, is it? So let's go ahead. I'm gonna kick my shoes on. Let's get this done. Let me show you all how to get a detail done quickly. Slide these shoes on real fast so I can show some tips, film this video, and get this truck done in time for my 4 o'clock event. Do y'all think I can do it? I've got my coffee. I'm good to go. I'm wired. I'm ready. Let's do this. All right, here's the truck. It's not in terrible shape, but it's definitely not clean. We've got, we just got out of winter. It's March 9th. So we've got some of this road salt deposits, some residuals of that. Just a little bit, some light dirt. The typical soiling in the fenders. Yeah, it's nothing bad. This is probably the average type of vehicle I get to work on. Just some road debris and stuff on it, and it's not bad, but it's a sizable truck. So we're nearing 1 o'clock here. Unfortunately, my hose is not hooked up yet, so that's going to take a couple moments, and I'm trying to film this video for everyone. So let's see if I can get it done. Gave the truck a quick foam down with the foam gun. Let some of that dwell a little bit. I'm just gonna take this brush to the fenders and then give the truck a pressure rinse, give the fenders a pressure rinse, refoam, and then start washing. Alrighty, got the fenders scrubbed and got these lower areas hit with the brush too, while the brush is still clean. These areas down here, actually below the curve of the panel. So now, a time saver for when you're detailing a truck. Go ahead, truck's been foamed down. You can see a lot of it in the bed, so be careful, don't slip. But just jump up in the bed. You'll clean the bed last. And you really, especially plastic ones, you clean it when you're drying it out. You're just pulling some of that loose debris out that's fallen in while you've been cleaning. But jump up, take your mitt, clean the roof, and then just come straight down to the back area. You've got just a little bit of paint here on the back, and then glass. And you don't need to rinse out your mitt or put more soap on it. You're just doing glass. You're not going to scratch it. It's going to be fine. So jump up, roof, glass, jump out, and then work on the rest of the car. With any car you do, you want to do roof first. It's just top to bottom is always how you want to work. But with trucks, you get this little added advantage of being able to just jump in and do it real quick. So there's a time saver tip for you for truck details. Okay, and on some trucks you'll find that staying in the back in the bed, it's not enough. The roof of the truck, especially with these extended cabs, is too long, so you got to come around. So what you can do, you can't stand on the tires really here. They're too far up, at least on this truck. So just go ahead and stand, put your feet right here. Yes, in the inside of the customer's truck. If you're doing an interior detail, you'll take care of that then. If not, added bonus for the customer, they get the plastic of their floor cleaned. But just be careful, don't put your feet on the carpet themselves, because your feet are dirty, you're in wet, dirty water. You've already scrubbed out all the mud, so you don't want to stain the customer's carpet, because that won't save you time. So yeah, quick time saver tip I wanted to add. While you got that driver door open, or the passenger side door open, and clean that part of the roof you couldn't reach, go ahead with your mitt, you still got some soap, clean the side glass, clean the glass in the mirrors. If they're black plastic like these happen to be, go ahead and clean the black plastic. You're not going to leave scratches like as if it was paint. It's going to be fine. If the car has an antenna up there, wipe the antenna down real quick. You don't need a clean, freshly soaped mitt. All right, another time-saving tip is using 2 towels instead of 1. You got 2 hands, so use them. Just go around and just work the car. And look, in about 10 seconds, I just got roughly half the car. Well, it's all finished and it's looking really good. Full exterior detail and trim restoration. on the bed rail area and the rear bumper in just about 2 hours. But a whole bulk of that was these big old wheels and tires and these big wheel wells. But everything's looking good for the client, and I'm happy because I got done quickly. Alrighty, truck's all finished. I didn't quite make it in time. This event I'm going to starts at 4. It's like 4:10, but it's 4 to 6. It's kind of a come as you go, so I guess I essentially made it in time.